Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, an unexpected error has occurred issue on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update the network driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek one and update drivers. The last solution will be to reset the network. And how would we do that? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side and select advanced network settings in the right pane. Select reset network. Click on reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.